Hi everyone and welcome to our next tutorial. This tutorial here, I'm going to take a look at a parallel circuit. And notice that in this parallel circuit, we have a switch, S1. We have a ammeter here, A3. We have a ammeter A1 that measures the current down this branch. Here we've got a ammeter here that measures the current down this branch here. We also have got a fuse on each branch, and we're going to say that the fuse rating, F1 and F2 are equal. We're going to say that they're rated for 5 amps. Any current exceeding that will cause the fuse to melt and blow and create an open circuit. So what will happen in this example here if this is a 12-volt battery, and let's say that this resistor here has a resistance of 4 ohms, and this has a resistance of 2 ohms. So for branch here, R1, if we were to determine the current flow through A1, I can label that as I1. I1 is equal to V over R, specifically R1. So in branch R1, we know that the voltage must be, well, it's a parallel circuit. So 12 volts is actually the voltage across R1. And we know that this is 4 ohms. So do the division. 12 divided by 4 gives you 3. I know that the current going through A1 here is equal to 3 amps. That is lower than the fuse rating, so this fuse will not blow and current will continue to flow in this direction if we follow conventional current flow, and flows down through the fuse and back in this direction here. In this part of the circuit, we want to figure out the current in this branch. So I2 is equal to, the current through A2 is equal to the voltage divided by the resistance R2. And for this example, that would be 12 volts divided by the resistance here. This is 2 ohms. And when we divide 12 divided by 2, that gives us 6 amps. So when the switch is closed, what it will try to do initially is pull 6 amps through A2, through this light bulb. It gets to the fuse and says, well, this fuse is only rated for 5 amps. Because of the high current above 5 amps, this fuse will become hot, melt, and blow and become an open circuit. So this fuse will blow here. This will become an open circuit. This light bulb will stop lighting up. This one here will continue to turn on. So that's a parallel circuit and what can happen inside a parallel circuit. Because of the large current in the second branch here, this fuse F2 ends up blowing. F1 does not. So the light here continues to stay on in this circuit. That's it for this example. Take care. We'll talk to you soon.